Okay, good, good, good. Let's go. Fire in, splice in. Welcome back, people. Finally, I'm grateful to be here again. After yesterday's trade, it wasn't back price action. Forget my voice. I've been shouting a bit these days. Okay, good twitch, good kick, good. Okay, so don't mind me. I'm building software as well. At the same time, I'm trading. And today is Friday. I usually tell you that you shouldn't trade on Fridays. But I mean, today is going to be bullish. I'm looking to aim this. I just fired this laptop today, and I'm just with this. What's happening? Okay, I don't know why. Why is it bullish today? It's been very bullish. Yup, all day has been bullish. I don't think there's a reason to attack this. I literally, um, there's no reason. I think today's trade is going to be bullish. Maybe wait for retracement. I don't know. Now it's New York session. I'm going to wait even more, a little bit more, and I trade. Okay, I'm looking good. Okay, people, getting closer. Getting my live account higher and higher, and I'm very close also to make your trader funded. I'm gonna buy one. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm good, and you're gonna see me trading funded this time. Well, I have to copy trade, so I have to pay for trade Sinca. Is it trade Sinca or trade Sinsa? I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, get this one out. Get this one out. Okay, so I did live in TikTok. The problem was yesterday at the library. Of course, the Wi-Fi wasn't going well. It's a public space, public Wi-Fi. That's very dangerous. And at the same time, I just opened TikTok Live. Also, as well, didn't have a lot of battery, a lot of charge. And dude, literally, I could barely move the cursor. That's why the videos yesterday is very laggy. So, it's like looking very bad. Even though it's sped up, it just looks awful. And that's because of TikTok Live. Now, as well, is that optimized to for TikTok in terms of live. That's why I use YouTube, Kick, and Twitch to stream. All of my videos later, although I upload in Twitter, Shorts, which they are vertical, they're not optimized. So you get the fewer people. But I don't care, man. God with me, it will reach me to all the people I have to reach. So I don't need to worry about that. Okay, so today is very bullish. I will be aiming for this. Price is very high. It's a good price to sell. Literally, it's a good price to sell. But just looking at the context, looking at the structure, there's no need to sell. I mean, today's buy, and look at this, dude. It's just buy and buy and buy. I don't know even why this happened. There's no news today. Um, I do not know the context for this. Maybe Trump tweeted something today. Something at war happened. Something, I don't know. Maybe an AI drop. Well, Cloud Opus 4.7 dropped, but I mean that's not news for gold to rise up. There's no reason for gold to be like this, aggressive, taking all these lows, and maybe it's gonna take this one out. Okay, so the simple thing is I could enter and just like that, but I'm gonna wait. Typically Fridays are not days to trade, but I mean when you can win, just win. Just look at this. So I'm gonna wait for a pullback and I'm gonna enter. Look at this, dude. What confluences are here? There are no confluences. The only confluences that matter is that the ones you make. Look at this various in fair value gap. Look at this. I'll enter from this and tickle up. It's an acceptance today, so today's gonna be a bullish day. If you're taking this trade, just take it, man. Just be quick and be done. Let me take this one over block here. Simple, beautiful. But I'm waiting still for a pullback because now I know the price is gonna make a pullback. Now I know when to enter. Why? Because, well, you got bone profile, you got context, you got TPOs as well. Oh wait. Yesterday wasn't a bad day to trade. Price action was acceptable. Look at this, man. There's a lot of volume here. The POC is just in the middle. What's this? Oh, it's a ladybug. Wait. Sorry, people. There's bugs in here. And just like this, it's going to enter. It's going to take this. I should have traded this, yeah. It's going to take this highs. And I don't know how much it's going to go because it's going up. There's liquidity still. Yeah, there's more liquidity. But I mean, this isn't something that usually happens. It's very weird to trade this. You would trade rejection maybe, but no. I mean, today's just being bullish. Why would you trade rejection of this? Just go with it, flow, right? But I mean, it's too much for me to trade. I'm waiting for a pullback, and then I'm gonna enter. Look at this, how it moves, man. Look at the bone profile, the daily bone profile. It's just a bare peak moment at this time between 1 p.m. and then it just went straight up. It got structure. There was pullbacks, but very good, very good. It's looking very good. Um, it's very good. Okay, so I'm gonna mark my I'm gonna mark my buy side liquidity. Okay. Well, buy side. I just say buy side because these are levels you wanna get. A price is gonna go reject. But I was hoping for a pullback for the entry because I mean, yeah, the margin between the profit, but the gap between the profit and just straight up, man, it's just wow. If you trade this, you'll get all this level now. So we'll just be okay. Wait, I just opened the window. It's just flaming, dude. What is this? What is going on? Wow. Why not take it? I mean, yeah, I could take this, but it's not an entry for me, right? I need a bigger pullback. Is the price gonna be low now? I just know today's gonna be acceptance. I just know that today's acceptance. Today is day to not too short. If you're short today, you're just dumb enough. I mean, just look at this movement. Come on, man. I don't know what's the reason and context behind this. Maybe this Trump tweeted something or something when something happened, very big happened. Okay, it's glitching. But man, it's incredible. Okay, so I'm gonna wait. I need. This one has been liquidated already. I need more. Okay. So there's more liquidity coming in here, this section, and then look at this very big gap. Knowing this, price gonna make a pullback, so I'm just gonna trade that. Yeah. The CRT has been liquidated. The premium has been liquidated. Has been accepted. I don't think price gonna come back to premium. It could go back to crt-h. Apologies, and make a higher high, but I don't think it will happen. I think it's just gonna continue to rally up. And if you trade this, man, you will be rich. But there's no sign of making a pullback. I don't know, this is happening, dude. This is literally free money. If you would check this, look where you'll be. Look at this movement, 100 ticks in 5 minutes. Printed money. Wow. You don't want to take it. I'm taking this. Sorry, people. I'm taking this. Yeah. Literally no reasons of why not to take this. Free money. Oh, free money. Yeah. Of course, a pullback had to happen. That's why you don't trade on highs, because you're gonna be exit liquidity. Okay. I shouldn't take that. Oh, I just lost money, dude, for being dumb. For this. That's why I don't trade that, dude. 37. Very bad. But I mean, this are just here for continuation. There's no actual entry. So I'm just gonna wait for pullbacks. I want price to come to this level and now make the entry. If price does get to this level, yes. Okay, wait, this is not something I like. Okay, no. Very, very wide. Okay, how much did I lose? Okay, this is just pullback. So wait for it to end, and then you're just gonna trade. Maybe it's a rejection now, but you don't trade this. You wait. Wait for it to happen, wait for it to pull back to end, and then just go on. Okay? Come on, how much did I lose? Okay, 496. That's, oh, come on. That's gonna be very. Okay, I'm waiting. All of my conflicts are here. I'm pointing this in here because I know price is just gonna be. Okay, it's dropping down. I'm gonna wait even more. Wait, I'm gonna put new one. I'm not entering yet. Good, good, good. Because look at how it's dropping. It's very quick. Okay. It's gonna keep dropping more, so you have to limit a little bit. Okay. Gonna leave it right there. How much is it gonna drop? Like maybe to this level? Yes. There's a greedy here. No, I'm not gonna sell that. So make quick money now. Okay, keep dropping, keep dropping. And then when it hits, okay, I'm gonna sell. Like in here, and then I'm gonna my stop loss along here. To wait for, okay, it's just already. I just got out quick, man. I'm just losing money like this. You don't do that. Okay, yeah, today's Friday's placing me, man. What is happening? Don't trade Fridays, people. Okay, it's just a bullback. It's gonna keep going down, but I'm wait. I wanna wait. I wanna wait. Okay, like this. I just look like 230. 230. 230, dude. Okay, I told you to pull back. It will go down. I mean, how did it even happen, dude? I just lost $4 and $6 easily. I mean, maybe it's going down now after everything. It's going to be a rejection for this. Typically, it would. I mean, you wouldn't like to trade this, right? So looking like this is okay. Good. Gone. Now, gonna wait for this to be the pullback. Or by looking at this, it's looking very bad. It's looking like a rejection, kind of acceptance. I'm gonna wait for there. Okay, very wide. I mean, it's not stopping, dude. It's just going and going. That's why I'm keeping everything. That's why I should have. It's looking very bad. Look, I could have made money already. Okay. Let me see how it goes. Is it going to be bottom ticking, or is it gonna take me out and lose even more money? I lost like 6. I could lose 8 today. Okay, very good this one. Tick, very good. But I think it's going to push a bit down more. There's a lot of volume in here going on, you know, and very close to this level here. So I'm gonna wait even a little bit more. Incredible, dude. 34 now. I was just 40. I just lost 6 in a couple minutes. That's why I told you people, you don't go there. You don't buy high and you don't sell. You could sell high but not buy high, because there is more risk to lose money than to win. And that sell wasn't bad, but just I should have waited for a pullback. You know, there's gonna be a pullback again. And keep dropping until when? I don't know. It's 22, but it sounds like it might be. I mean, I thought it was gonna be bullish there. You got all this movement, barely any structure in it, just going down, up, sorry. And then here is the problem. It changes and it's telling you, okay, now it's going down. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this one. Okay, let's keep it going up. Okay, it's gonna push down a little bit because it was just a pullback. Again, and how it marks with the STB with a price. Down again. Okay, going down. Mm-hmm. Maybe I should wait. Because I mean, look at these levels. Mm-hmm. It might be. Oh, we'll go down. We'll go down. Okay. It's reacting to the confluences now. Target is 33. I mean, it could go there, but now this movement here, it could change everything because as we have been acceptance, but it could go back, rejection, and rebalance again, and going back to the old balance, which is all this. But this looks like it's just a very big imbalance. Okay. Okay, it's getting. Well, do you feel anything? I don't feel anything. I just don't feel anything. But you need to risk with good. We'll just maybe a good bit change of everything. There's a few ticks from going. No, it's gonna keep going down. Stick with it. It doesn't trade. I don't care if it goes up. If I don't trade this, simple. We don't. Now price has taken its liquidity. I respected it. Went up again, but I think it's just a pullback. You know, to get traders saying, okay, there was a bear before there was a big rally. Now we're pushing down a little bit, going for a pullback. But now they're saying, okay, now it's a trap. Keep pushing, so that you will be extra liquidity then to dump again, to keep dumping. Or maybe not. Maybe it was just a pullback, and now it's going up. It could be. Mm-hmm. Okay, I told you. Just keep waiting. The thing is, I don't know when. I'm looking at this certain level because I mean 4850, but it just looks like it's going to keep dumping. So I don't know. I really don't know. Should I enter here, look for that rejection, but price is looking very, very, very good in terms of respecting it very much. From the year, yeah, I don't know. I don't see this. They're respecting it. It's going down. I mean, we're close. We're close to 30, so I'm just gonna wait. I should have done that. I should have just waited for all this to happen. It's very volatile, and I mean, you could have traded this. Yeah, who would know, right? When you got this bearish moment. Okay, it's going pushing down. Okay, now it's entering a little bit of a little range. Just wait for it. It's going for a little accumulation, and then the next candle will decide whether to keep going down or to keep pushing. For now, I'm gonna be smart after those very dump movements. So, uh, I'm going to wait. I'm just going to wait. I don't know when it will continue to go down. Literally, I don't know even know when. Okay, wait. The TP is gonna be still the same, but I don't know when to enter. It's because I was want to wait for more confirmation for price. Yeah, I could be top ticking. I had it here, right? Like here. I could put it like here, maybe, but this is just too much. Yeah, you see, it's keep dumping. It's just dumping. Is it gonna take this? It's going premium now. This is premium. This is crt-h as well. So now, after all this acceptance, it could be a rejection. Dumping. Or it is not, and it was just a change. You know what? I know it's gonna be change. I just know that. I'm gonna wait for a rejection. Look at this. This is gonna be my trade today. No sell. gonna be my sell. I'm gonna target all these levels. So yeah, going down. I'm just gonna wait for a bigger movement, a bigger pullback, and then go sell. Go for that selling. Okay, it's gonna push a little bit now. Okay, good. That's what I like. Yeah, keep pushing. Now we're entering this. This is it. Okay, look at this. This is not a pullback, man. I just know that. This is not. I just know it's gonna be a change. But I'm going to wait because I don't want to enter in the middle of an imbalance. You know, you want to enter based on this because there's a lot of volume here. So you want to trade this. This is now the new range. Because you want to trade in the middle of it. You just create a new balance, and you want to trade that. I mean, I would trade from here based on this level right here. But it's very narrow. I mean, if price even gets up here and it could be from here maybe, and then just here, it would be good. Okay, I'll wait. But it's not giving me a sign of reversion. It's just giving me, you know, I'm answering. I'm longing all this. Get this one out. Going for this, and my stop loss is not gonna be tight. It's not gonna be tight. It is going to be actually 6. It's very. I know now. You see now is a pullback, man. Keep going down, and you just pull back. Keep going down. You're biting no one. You're barking at someone that's ready to be bitten. Come on, dude. Keeps going. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. I cannot believe this. I actually can't believe this. That was a pullback I was waiting for. I just entered before it happened. That happens as well. That's why I need more confirmation. But keep dumping. I mean, you already made a pullback, or you just keep push. There's no reason to push. Unless you want to take out people, which would make sense. But the entry is here, and the stop loss is here. Okay. This got good. Yeah. Okay. Don't mind me just building my software. Another one. Yeah, so if you don't follow me in my main account, this one is for trading and business. The other one is just for what I be the softwares and everything. But I don't post anything, you know, just my softwares. How they work. Okay. I think I might get. This. Okay. Still in the range of it, you know. Keep getting still in the range. But I will keep dumping. I just know that. Okay, let me look at how is it going. Yes. Three trades. I mean, those two just pure gamble. Don't do that. Okay. It could go worse, but I mean, I just pay the price. You just pay the price. Simple. That's why you don't do that, people. You don't do that. If you know price is just too high in premium, don't try to buy. Just wait for price what's going on. It could just get higher, of course, but you need context for it. And it will be more smarter to look for rejection and for sell for okay, I'm getting out for a short position than to go for a long. Okay, yep. Three trades, three losses. I'm not gonna trade anymore in this day. Today wasn't a bad price action, but it was just too volatile, and you cannot even predict this. You cannot even be aware of this. So back on Monday, no worries. I mean, yeah, I could have won in the second trade because I shorted, but I just got stopped out because it was very narrow. But I mean, okay, look how close it is. Playing with you, if you will, trader has feelings, he'll just be hoping for it not to happen, but it just does. So accept it. Okay, so I just lost six. What? 28, dude. Wow. Another trade lost. You pay a price. Okay. Oh, they didn't get that much. Okay. This could be now the change of everything. How much did I lose? I look like. Okay. No, I'm not gonna try this way. I'm in. This, but you can see the spread, dude. Is just not worth it. I'm gonna let it play. This is it. This is it. This is it. 14, man. I just lost 591. Okay. Good. Good. Keep going. Keep pushing. That's a problem with trading. When you trade with spreads, just get out so quick. Look at this entry, dude. You don't stop loss anything. That's why you lose. Keep pushing. Now this is gonna make 5 back to cover that loss. Because I just lost what? That's a problem with spreads. That's why I hate spreads so much. That's why, but I mean, that's what it is. You're gonna take it. That's why I trade with limits as well. If you trade with entry, normal entry, you already got spread, so you'll already be in drawdown, losing, because the broker will put they have to win somehow. I'm just getting out quick, man. It's that's why I don't trade with this. Bad trade, bad day, literally bad day, but my fault. I mean, that's it. Now, how do you learn from this? Simple. Don't overtrade, don't revenge. You just lost one trade because you gamble away. Stop it. That's the best thing you can do. Get your ego hurt, get everything hurt. But this is just not. Again, another one, dude. It's just disgusting. How is it bleeding, man? Okay, I'm 25 maybe? 25 now? From 40 to 25? 26. Wow. 24. I lost one. 328. Okay, wow. Painful. It is painful, but that's a consequence you get. Okay, not a very good day. Not a day. Literally not a day. Not enter. Not enter now. No, no, no. That's it. I should have stopped when I lost $3. But because you said, "Oh, I want to get in," that's why. That's why I don't trade this type of days. I don't care. You can wait a lot of money, but you have more to risk than to win. That's it. When you're trading with anything, you just get out, dude. I was actually correct with the bullish. I should have entered normal here, but that's why trade limits and normal entries like this is just not to happen, and you need real data. Better about trade, disgusting actually. It is what it is. Okay. Okay. Just look at this one. 4 trades, 4 losses. Wow. The last time I traded with a lot of trades in a day, it's actually very, maybe last month. There was one day I made over 10 trades a day, and that for me is very bad. Today is a very dark Friday. Long, shorted, didn't work. Not even limit. You see just a pattern. There's data. When you trade with feelings, you will always end up losing. Yesterday, it was just a warning. Yes, you may have won a trade because you wanted to recover the loss. That's a gamble mindset I told you before. So I deserve this. Take accountability, take responsibility. You lost today, good. It hurts, it will hurt. But it better hurt now by watching how you just lost than to keep going, to keep going. You know, it's better to hurt from losing than to be hurting for losing everything. You just lost, okay, took that loss and say, okay, oh, you just lost, that's it. Because if you lose again, it will hurt more. But I gotta recover, you gotta recover, tomorrow will be another day. So my phrase is, mindset, stop the bleeding, man. So I'm down 18 this week, very bad week, just for this day. I wasn't that bad, you know. You see, I should have taken this. That's why you need data. You need bone profile. You need a lot of things. Okay, so first things first. Which one is the first one trade I took? I took 4 trades. I don't even know which one it is. Okay, 17. No, you're not. Okay, this one. No, 14. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, 17. First loss, 328. Ouch. And the thing is, the problem is when you win, when you trail stop, you even if you win, the loss is bigger than the win, so it's like break even. So what's the point, right? That's why one of the risks it takes. Okay, that one is the first one. Let me get the next one. And the hardest part then is to do the journal. After all that loss, just going up there and taking that loss is just brutal, man. You're hurt. Your feelings are hurted. But guess what? You take it. That is your price for trying to go in the market, knowing this is what experience gets you. You know you don't have to do something, but still, because you feel you have to do it, and you do it without logic, with nothing, you deserve it, man. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Wow. 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 Brutal. Okay, this one is second one, $4.96, almost $5. That's already $8 into trades. You're gonna lose. So you can hold stop loss, but you're gonna hold TP. Yeah, that's it. Okay, third one is $5.96, 91, $6. This is the last one. Wow. Very, very day. It is what it is, people. It is what it is. You know, I would have rather to have a boring day as usual with Friday, which I could have traded, than this, because this is just, you just got stopped out. Literally, 4 trades, 4 stop losses, and if course is too tight, most people, I see them trading. They made money because they have a lot of experience as well. They have years, and they enter on continuation trades. It means if it's bearish, you go trade bearish. I trade rejection acceptance. Most of the time I like more rejectance than acceptance. Because acceptance for me are zones where price. Let's say if I'm gonna trade acceptance, it could be premium or discount, and when it surpasses that range, it means you're going below. But at the same time, there's more risk to lose than to win. Like for example, yesterday. Yesterday was acceptance, and I won money because it just kept going and kept going. Because as well, I was early. The problem is with acceptance that at any moment it could reverse because price is just too cheap or it's too high. So traders will like, okay, I want to buy because it's too cheap. I want to sell because it's too high. That's the problem with continuation. Rejections, I'm more of a rejectance trader. Today, I try to trade rejectance. I try to acceptance. I try to take rejectance as well. And I ended up taking acceptance. And at the end, I ended up taking what? 4 trades inside of this range that I marked before. Instead of what? Of taking trades here or just here and wait. Or just wait. I mean, there was no need to take trades. Look at all this sloppy continuation. That's it. That's what you get. Look at now, price is trying to go up. You think it's gonna go up? Here it doesn't. It's not even passing this one. Well, it did. Yeah, it did a little bit. Come on, dude. Just disgusting. Okay. But that's it. That's a good thing we're learning. At the end, you learn by pain. That's why it's mindset. It's just the skills. It's just mindset at the same time. It's knowing when to execute a trade or not. That's actually one of the hardest things to do. And as well, to know when to and when not. Okay, literally very bad. But I mean, it's a counter event. It is something you learn. And then 422, 422. No, I'm not gonna answer. I'm not a fool. No. Usually you can fall from the same rock twice, even 3 times, even 5 times. But at the end, you're not gonna know something, and that is a choice. That is not a mistake. Today was not a mistake, people. And I tell you this because if you're gonna take accountability, if you only make excuses when you lose, you're a lost man. Why would you even take an excuse? Just accept it. I just lost because I traded my feelings after a long time. But it's like a snowball, okay? It's like that's what I do when I explain compound interest. It's like a snowball. At first it's not little, but the more it goes down, the more it slides down, it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. That's what happens today. Oh, just take a small trade, no matter, and then you enter revenge. You lost 2 already. Oh, just make the third one to recover the 2 losses. That's a gamble mindset. You lost 3 trades. Okay, just take the fourth one and that's it. You just go out. Man, just go out. You just lost three trades. Why would you even go for the fourth one? You're getting violated, man. You're getting raped. Just get out, man. Just get out. Don't go more into deep hole. Just get out. Okay? So that's what you get. That's the price you get. I deserve this. The worst part is to have a victim's mindset. Oh, excuse. That's the worst thing. Even after you lose, you're still gonna have the balls to say that you lost because the market was against you. Of course, it's against you. You're against yourself. The market does not reward those who trade with the feelings. Feelings don't matter in any business. But at the same time, those who can only lose are the ones who have the courage to do something. So if that's a good thing you have to learn, you can learn from this ones and never do it again. Monday I'll be back with this one. I'm not gonna end the stream. Don't worry about. Don't worry about it. I'm just gonna watch what happens. But it's just disgusting, dude. Oh wow, it's just disgusting. Oof. And the worst part, but actually the best part, if you love pain, as David Goggins said, you just love pain because you get stronger with it. When you put yourself in situations you don't want to be, in terms of getting out of comfortness, you just getting stronger. You get stronger. That's what you should do. Knowing me, I could have maybe taken already 10 trades before, in the past. Revenge trading, over trading. So it's actually a good thing for me to not do that. Yeah, I took 4 trades, not proud of myself, not even happy. Although if I wish, although if I win, I'm still not happy. But it's what it is. Okay. The thing is, when I do my tracking, my journal, I literally journal everything. Every single trade is journal. That's why you do it, because this builds discipline. It makes you think. You want to go to this. You want to go and literally journal every single trade. No. Then don't overtrade. Okay, sell, buy. Good. The buy was bullish. This one was bearish, and this one was bearish. And this one was just bullish. Why you gotta stop that? Wow, literally. Not my best moment. 28. I was going to place the markets. I just got burned in the face. Beautiful. Literally beautiful. Okay. 486. And as well, I'm doing a project which I don't know if you like Tradzilla, which is a journaling trade, so you know what I'm looking for. It's a good thing to build your own things. I've seen people building their own terminal. It's like, wow. Building your own terminal to trade is another level. Okay, sorry for that. Apologies, my parent. Thanks, Pops. Okay, apologies. Dude, what a day. It's getting sick. But that's a price to pay. Okay, let me check up the streams. Okay, no message. Okay. Well, I mean, of course you're not gonna views at first. You're gonna do something. But don't worry, I will be streaming as well on TikTok in the future. Not now because it's consuming a lot, and I'd rather focus first on the streams with horizontal view, and then just post the recaps on TikTok. Yeah, it's getting good. So it was bullish. I would trade this and trade this. I told you it was just a pullback, not just a charge. Now I changed the direction. You know, I don't feel even trading anymore. This, I don't feel like trading this. You know, before I would just be so okay, go on, make the buy and recover all that money. It's just now, dude. Why would I do that? I'm peaceful. I'm chill. I'm really chill. Yeah, you can make. If you want to go up, you go up. I don't care. The fact that I am building my mindset is a good thing. But it is what it is. Okay. The first one I took, which one it was? Let me see the first one by looking at the time I entered. Okay, this one is 30 now. No, this one is yesterday. Okay, not this one. Neither this one. This one. Okay, the first one is a 496. Got it quick, man. Okay, this is 15, 13. It's flying without me. Beautiful. Okay, entry price. To 39. They take profit, I think it was. Here, 489. 4. Wow. Now I know why I don't trade a lot of trades. Taking this is not worth it. It's not. Okay, no, Siri, I don't want you. No. Get out, Siri. Please. Yeah. If I had a black man here, it's a joke. It's a joke. Nah, seriously. This is disgusting. But it's a price you pay. Okay, this is the first trade. What about 496? Where is the second one? Okay, this is no. This is 422. Where did I take this? First. Second one is 18. Okay, 18. Got it. The 328. Look at this beautiful movement, man. Come on. Okay, 18. 12. Exit time. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, one trade. 10 seconds, man. Yes, there was 4. Yep. Good. Okay. Good. 10 seconds, man. The first one lasted almost a minute. This one lasted 10 seconds. This is not gambling. I don't know what it is. That's the problem with it. Most people actually struggle with this. The good thing You can still learn and change. The bad thing is you can make this good business and asset something very bad. Wow. Okay, 86.305. And then 4,866,94. Okay, this is the stop loss price as well because I got stop out. The profit price would have been maybe, yeah, 4,820.32. Targeting that premium. This one's one as well. Okay, third trade of the day. It was at 30, I think. It was the 591. No, this one is after. Oh no, it was before. Okay, this is 1530. Yeah, it's 30. Man, 70 pips in 4 minutes. Wow. Matter successful still. Where's it going? Not in the mood, but doesn't matter. Still motion, still going, still grinding. So it's gonna get up here at the end. So yeah, it was just a pullback, and I was actually had a limit here, but changing it to a sell. Don't trade, don't change your bias, man. Stick with one thing. But still, was going good the whole week. Actually, I was going good. Today is just that it just doesn't summon out everything all week. I think these days can happen. The thing is, how long will it be still like this? Because if tomorrow's day is gonna be Monday to trade, because in the weekend just closed, it's gonna be the same as yesterday as today, then that will be a very bad sign. If Monday is normal as usual, it won't happen. But it's a price you pay. I almost lost $20 in one day. It's not something I'm very proud. Actually, I'm not even happy about it. But not mad because I mean, that's it. As well as also risk you take in life, you gotta take risk. Prepared and plan when you have a plan, we have a setup. Because this is just risk. This is not risk. This is gambling. I should have stopped at the first trade and that's it. That would hurt me, but if I knew I was gonna lose even more, I would just stop here. That's the problem, because you don't put your mind in a dangerous mind, in a you don't think in the long term. You see, if it was the first trade, you get angry, you get mad, you want to just recover it all. But if you look for long term, it's like, okay, what if I stop now because I could lose more money? Just stop it, and that's it. Even if you don't lose more money, it's still better to lose 4 than to lose 20. But that's a way. This is actually the way to learn trading. Most people say, oh, I'm profitable in 1 week, I'm profitable in a month. There, just doesn't work like that. You can, but if you think you can, you haven't understood trading. Trading is it's not just a skill of looking at markets, looking at data, which is one of the hardest skills as well to master. Is that you're mastering yourself. You're mastering who you are, your body, everything, your mindset. It is literally what you're going to do. So if you cannot take that, you're never going to be profitable. I can tell you that. I'm not saying it will take 5 years for you to be profitable from a fund in a life. I know people that has been maybe trading for 8 years, but it is what it is. It is what it is, people. Okay, almost close to finishing the journal. I'm just gonna finish the journal, then I'm gonna end the stream. You guys, you love this. It's actually not. It's actually curious. The more days I lose, those days are actually the most viewed ones. You just guys love seeing me lose. It is what it is. The algorithm loves it. But I mean, it's a good way to learn. You can learn from me. You can learn from yourself. It's a good thing. Okay, so I'm gonna end the stream now. Fire out, places out, people. We see you on Monday. God bless.